Now friends, when we started in the stock markets, we had to pay 0.5 to 0.7% of our total traded or invested capital as brokerage to some of the full-fledged brokers that existed. With the advent of discount brokers like Upstocks, we can carry out the same transactions completely brokerage free for delivery based transactions and only have to pay when we do intraday or FNO. This, as you would figure out, would be worth lakhs of savings per year. Now, if you go ahead and open a completely free trading and demat account with Upstocks through the link provided in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video, you'll be entitled to join our Telegram and WhatsApp groups. Now, this, as you understand, is a wonderful opportunity to save a lot of brokerage and also join our WhatsApp and Telegram channels for free. So please hurry. This won't always last. Now, having seen how you could go ahead and save lakhs of the amount you use as brokerage, let's get back to the main purpose for this video. In this video, we'll be talking about a tiny small cap where Vijay Kedia has bought 10 lakh shares at Rs 115 via a bulk deal on the National Stock Exchange. Please watch this video to know more about this cheap stock. Now the company in question is JMC Projects India Limited, which is available at Rs 115.70 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is JMC PROJECT. Now JMC Projects India Limited is an India-based engineering and construction services company. The company is engaged in the construction of buildings and others. It executes various types of projects involving construction services that include design, procurement, supply, installation, testing and commissioning. Its business segments include building and housing, infrastructure, industrial and power, and special projects. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company has been on a slow uptrend even when the whole of the market has been collapsing around it. The market cap of the company is 1942.66 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 9 translates into a very cheap price to earnings ratio of 12.86, which is much more cheaper when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 20.85. The price to book ratio of 3.41, however, is a bit on the higher side. The company has a dividend yield of 0.61%, whereas the promoter holding stands at a very strong number of 67.19%. Also, none of the promoters holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.